With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students, here the question is, the least count of a stopwatch is 0.2 seconds. The time of 20 oscillations of a pendulum is measured to be 25 seconds. The maximum percentage error in the measurement is found to be 0.x%. Then what is the value of x? So here, according to the question, the number of oscillations, the number of oscillations is 20 and time taken to complete these 20 oscillations is 25 seconds. So here the value of time period of the oscillation, therefore time period of oscillation will be equal to time taken by the oscillation 25 divided by 20, which will be equal to 1.25 seconds. So this is the value of time period of oscillation. Now the value of least count is given. The value of least count of stopwatch which is indicated by del t is 0.2 seconds. Hence the error in the time for one oscillation is 0.2 divided by n. Therefore the percentage error will be equal to del t divided by t into 100, which will be equal to 0.2 divided by t, that is 1.25, into number of oscillations, that is 20. Number of oscillations are 20, so multiplied by 20 into 100. On solving this, we get the value of percentage error as 0.8%. It means here the value of x is found out to be 8. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.